Welcome to Flowlu tutorial on notifications. To see all your notifications, click the bell icon. They're sorted by date. To mark notification as read, simply click on it. If you want to mark all as read, hit the Mark All as Read button. Need to revisit one later? You can mark it as read again by simply clicking on this icon. Use filters to sort notifications by module. Even if certain module notifications are off, you still know there are hidden, unread ones. Notifications can be grouped by object to keep things organized. There are two extra tabs: Responses pending and My response is required. If you need to respond, you can do so right from this window. You can also edit or delete your requests here. In the settings, choose to display only unread notifications. You can turn off alerts for specific changes, like those in the task module. Need more notifications? Set them up through automation rules. Flowlu provides web push notifications, mobile pop-ups and email alerts. To enable email notifications, go to Notification settings. For mobile alerts, make sure you have the Flowlu app and that notifications are enabled on your phone. Each user can personalize their email notifications. Admins can set this up for others. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team.